Daniel,
Yeah,
what are you doing here, man?
I'm here for the podcast, guy.
Dude, what is the name of the podcast?
It's Sunday.
Friday night on Sunday.
Oh my God.
It's not Sunday.
I mean, it's close enough.
No.
Come on, dude.
Oh, well, I'll tell you what, man. Since you're here, I'm hungry. You hungry?
Always.
How about we cook some food?
Yeah. What are you thinking?
Well, I was thinking if we wanted to do tacos, we just did a breaded catfish video. Let's play around with some different breadings. My fiance likes to bread pork rinds. She uses pork rinds for fried stuff. I've got some chips back here left over from a gathering. Let's just look through the kitchen, see what we can find to turn into breading for this catfish, and do a whole bunch to see what we like the best.
All the catfish of the rainbow. Let's do this.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, so we have tried now 10 different alternate breadings for this catfish. So we've got oats, Cheerios, cornflakes, potato chips, pork rinds, Fritos, Funyuns, Cool Ranch Doritos, Nacho Doritos, and Cheetos. So we're gonna taste all of these and we're gonna see what's gonna make the best taco. All
What a
right.
time to be alive.
So let's start off with the oats. And I arranged these so they're like biggest flavor bomb at the end so they don't blow our palate out.
Oh my God, that's good.
For just simple oats, that's really good.
God damn it.
And that is what I expect to be the least tasty.
Yeah. What? Nobody laughed at that joke? Oh my God. Next.
All right. Cheerios.
That ain't the move. That tastes like baby cereal.
Yeah, that's pretty bland, pretty boring.
I'll still eat it though.
Cornflakes. That is really damn good.
That crunch. Mm-hmm. The finish, man.
That is super good. That works
So
really,
good.
really well. We're going into potato chips. The saltiness is great. The crunch. And just that potato flavor is actually works really well
Not
with
only that,
catfish.
man, but like you have that. I don't know how to explain this, but you taste the greasiness of those chips. It's in there.
Yeah.
You can't tell me otherwise.
All right, so next we have the pork rinds. I know going into this, we were both thinking pork rinds are going to be pretty fantastic. So let's see how they turned out.
You know it's going to be good.
That's really good.
God damn it. That's so good.
It's almost too much. And I think the chipotle maple mayo could go really well with that to balance that out. And the spice, the fat that's in this would pair really well with the spice that we're going to add into the tacos.
Yeah.
So that's definitely in the running.
You're so good at this.
Thank you. Fritos, corn chips. You guys got to do this. It's so good. There's so many different levels of things happening.
Whoa.
Corn and catfish go great together anyway.
Yeah. Well,
That is really good.
that's my number one so far. Any corn flavor, whatever, whether it be like hush puppies or anything, goes awesome with catfish. That's
Still getting that nice coarse texture, which kind of calls back like the cornmeal that we did in the other video. That's really good. Now, this is another one that we thought in the beginning might be like way high up
Is
here.
it Funyuns?
This is Funyuns.
yes.
And Funyuns, they're basically a rice noodle that's seasoned heavily and it tastes like onions.
I did not know that.
Yep, it's just a rice noodle, so it should have a nice light crisp to it. Yeah, by far my favorite.
God, yeah.
This is Cool Ranch Doritos.
You know it's gonna be good.
That's solid. Mm-hmm. That's solid. I wouldn't kick it out of bed for eating crackers.
No.
That's very good. I still think the Funyuns are better, but that's very, very good. All right, now we're down to Nacho Doritos.
Ooh!
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. The cheesiness is nice, so that's a prelude to the Cheetos, because you know that's going to be a cheese.
Absolutely.
Craziness.
It's like the Fritos, but with like cheese. I mean,
yeah, it is. It's just like that. All right. This is going to be the big one. If anything's going to give Funyuns a run for its money, it's going to be Cheetos. Cheetos.
it's not bad.
It's so underwhelming. I thought it
Yeah,
was going to
I
be like mind blowing, and it really is just. It's okay.
Well,
It's not bad.
I hate to say I was right. Hate it.
And that's why
Not having a good time.
ate all of them to try. And honestly, the oats still surprised me for
Yeah,
how
me too,
good
man.
oats were,
Big time.
just for plain oats.
They're all really fucking good, dude.
They are really good. Cornflakes turned out great.
Yeah.
I'm still thinking Funyuns are my top.
Let's make some
Your top
goddamn-
pick was pork rinds?
No Funyuns.
Oh, it was Funyuns too?
Yeah, GTFO.
All right, then. Unanimous decision.
Funyuns, baby boy.
Funyuns are what's up.
All day.
Second place is kind of hard for me to pick. Maybe Cool Ranch.
Cool Ranch or Frito or pork rind.
So yeah, Frito definitely stood out.
Yeah.
I thought cornflakes stood out, and oats. I'm gonna play with
dude,
oats,
saw
man.
that coming.
Oats were the underdog by far. Just oats. So I think playing around with that a little bit, that could really go somewhere. But I think it's decided we're gonna make Funyun catfish tacos.
Yeah.
Hey man, we're making tacos, right?
Yeah.
I got some tortilla shells right here.
What the hell did you just say to me? I have my own recipe.
All right, and we have it. Funyun breaded fried catfish tacos with chipotle maple mayo, queso fresco, fresh cilantro, hot jalapeno pickled radish
Oh, yes.
on
Some killer tortillas. So I guess you would say they're infused
Yeah.
with guajillo and chipotle chilies, dried chilies. These are going to be the best tacos ever. Just throwing that out there.
We've got a really beautiful orchestra of flavors going on here. There are probably way more components that I would normally put on one single plate. I think because they all do play so well together,
Yeah.
that it's all going to meld and it's not going to be overwhelming. You ready to go into it?
Eat up, baby boy.
We're going to get into
Yeah.
it. I'm gonna tuck into a taco.
Cheers, bucko.
Cheers, man. I'm glad you came over today.
It was fun. Get the f out.
That's a tasty taco.
My God. God damn it. It's so good.
That's next level, man.
Dude. These tacos hurt my feelings.
So if you guys enjoyed watching us clown around in the kitchen today and seeing what we can come up with, you should make sure to check out the relaunch of my industry podcast, Friday Night on Sunday, starting to air again later this month, featuring Daniel Finsley as my new co-host.
Hot pocket.
Oh, hey, before you leave, get over there and smash that subscribe button.
Pow! Right in the face.